Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CDS 2 exam. Question number 33 and 34 have common statement, and the statement is: consider the following for the next two items that follow. AB is a straight road leading to the foot P of a tower of height h. Q is at distance x from P and R is at a distance y from Q. R is farther from P than Q. R and Q are on the same side. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower at Q is twice of that at R. Use formula tangent to theta is equal to 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent square theta. And the question number 33 is: which one of the following is correct? Option A, x is equal to y. Option B, x less than y. Option C, x greater than y. Option D cannot be concluded due to insufficient data. And question number 34 is: which one of the following is correct? Option A, h square is equal to x square minus y square. Option B, h square is equal to x square plus y square. Option C, h square is equal to 2 bracket y square minus x square bracket close. And option D, h square is equal to y square minus x square. So here this is the given figure. R is at a distance y from Q and Q is at a distance x from P, and PS is your tower of height h. This angle is 2 theta and this angle is theta. So now from the triangle QPS, we have h by x is equal to tangent to theta. And tangent to theta formula is given as 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent square theta. Okay, so it means h by x is equal to 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent square theta. So this is equation number 1. Now if we take triangle RPS, then h by y plus x is equal to tangent theta. H is equal to y plus x tangent theta. And now if we put the value of h in 1, then it will be y plus x tangent theta is equal to 2x, this x will come here, 2x tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent theta, or tangent theta will cancel out, so y plus x within bracket 1 minus tangent square theta within bracket is equal to 2x. So if we divide the whole equation by x, then y by x plus 1 within bracket, and this is 1 minus tangent square theta is equal to 2. So, or we can say y by x plus 1 is equal to 2 by 1 minus tangent square theta, and y by x is equal to 2 by 1 minus tangent square theta, and this is minus 1. And if we take LCM, it will be 1 minus tangent square theta, and 2 minus 1 plus tangent square theta, or we can say y by x is 1 plus tangent square theta divided by 1 minus tangent square theta, and 1 plus tangent square theta is secant square theta, or we can say it is 1 by cos square theta, and tangent theta is sin theta by cos theta. So from this we have y by x is equal to 1 by cos square theta minus sin square theta, or we can say it is cos theta. And value of cos theta is always less than 1. Maximum value is 1. So it will be this 1 by cos theta will be greater than 1, so y will be greater than x. So answer is option B. Okay. Because theta cannot be 0, that's why the value of cos theta will be less than 1. Okay. Because tower has some height, so it will have some angle of elevation from Q and R, so it cannot be 1. So it has to be less than 1, so that's why y is greater than x. So answer is option B. From 1 we have h by x is equal to 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent square theta, and from 2 we have h by y plus x is equal to tangent theta. So now we can put the value of this tangent theta here. Okay, to find out the answer of question number 34. So here we have h by x is equal to 2 h by x plus y divided by 1 minus h by x plus y whole square. So if we cross multiply, then and first of all we can cancel h, and then we cross multiply, it will be 1 by x is equal to h square divided by x square plus y square plus 2xy and x multiply here, and this will be 2 divided by x plus y. So if we take LCM, then it will be x plus y whole square x, and this will be x square plus y square plus 2xy, or we can say x plus y square, and this will be your h square, and it will be 2x plus y. Or further we can cancel out this x plus y, and this will be your x plus y square whole square minus h square divided by x plus y divided by x is equal to 2. Or now again cross multiplying, it will be x square plus y square plus 2xy minus h square, and this will be your 2x square plus 2yx, or this 2x square and x square will make minus x square, y square minus x square, and this will come here, h square is equal to y square minus x square. Answer is option D. 2xy will cancel out, so answer is option D.